birthday. Okay, friend, happy birthday. May you have many more years to celebrate. And may God bless you always and keep forever young always. A simple gift and a big heart. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you po. Good po ay si Ate Lisa, ano nyo?
Happy birthday, Ate Magda. May kasumpa may wish ko sa'yo, stay healthy and good health. God bless you always and forever yan. Maganda ka mo, Bel. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Sunod naman po ay Loxicon family. Loxicon family po, wala pa lang magbe-message. Isa lang po sa inyo. Pag-wish po. Ay, ako si Ate Mika. O, sige po. Ayan. Pupunta naman po tayo sa ating mga bills. Ayan. Maaari po magbigay ng cash or Gcash or check. Hindi naman po choose yung birthday girl. Ito po, ang ating po unang tatawagin ay si Jenny Broso, ang kanyang anak. Ate Jenny.